Hey everybody, Carter from Ram Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today we have this 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn diesel four-wheel drive. It has only 74,000 miles, 2 owners. We're buying you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's right, when everybody else is trying to sell you warranty, we're giving you one. You can upgrade it, of course. It's got the heated and cooled seats. It has that awesome brown Laramie leather. It has the power sunroof, the remote engine start, air suspension, navigation, you name it. This truck's got it all here. Awesome truck, awesome condition. The tires are 3/4 there. We just changed the oil on it. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.